who pretend to be my friends are calling me pathetic behind my back, in front of my face.
Front, front,
Behind my back, in front of my face.
People can be categorized in one of two ways.
Who's in the front of the train?
Train, train.
Who's in the front of the train?
Because as surgeons, we like to be in the know. We have to be in the know because when we aren't, people die and lawsuits happen.
lawsuit, lawsuit,
Because when we aren't, people die and lawsuits happen.
I think I saw a pneumothorax. I hope I get a pneumothorax.
Thought you weren't talking to me.
I thought you could use a Fravisol and Rising above.
above, above,
I thought you could use a Fravisol and Rising above.
Hello. I seem to be a little bit drunk. I was off duty. So was I. Anybody else half in the bottle?
bottle, bottle,
So was I. Anybody else half in the bottle?
Get the leg!
Oh, that leg.
He lost a lot of blood at the scene.
leg, leg,
That leg.
He lost a lot of blood at the scene.
Oh, that leg.
He lost a lot of blood at the scene. Pressure dressings applied. 2 large bore IVs started.
bore, bore,
Pressure dressings applied. 2 large bore IVs started.
Dr. Weber.
We have a train wreck, Derek. We need all hands on deck. Now clear me for surgery or you're fired.
deck, deck,
We need all hands on deck. Now clear me for surgery or you're fired.
Fine, but I'm coming with you. Or I'm fired. Up to you.
operator, operator,
Was that a knock?
Yes?
nod, nod,
Was that a knock?
Yes?
That was mean. Even for you.
You are drunk.
drunk, drunk,
You are drunk.
And the IV fluid to head off your hangover. Then you can assist with the many mangled victims you see spread out before you. Besides,
spread, spread,
you see spread out before you. Besides.
No, we're fine, honey. Yeah, some redneck tried to outrun the train. Honey, and the train slammed into his ass, and then it rolled.
slam, slam,
Honey, and the train slammed into his ass, and then it rolled.
Whole bunch of luggage. When they hit the brakes, it just came flying at us.
We'll take you for an x-ray, see if anything's broken. Any internal injuries?
internal, internal,
If anything's broken. Any internal injuries?
Get away.
I'm fine, Derek. Just adjusting to the life.
adjust, adjust,
I'm fine, Derek. Just adjusting to the life.
Is it going straight through her spine?
It is. T8's completely crushed.
crush, crush,
It is. T8's completely crushed.
Look at this.
These people are still alive?
They're still making small talk.
Post-tamponading the wound as far as we can see.
wound, wound,
Post-tamponading the wound as far as we can see.
You operated on a heart earlier, George. You think you could draw a little blood?
I rocked that heart.
Yeah, you did.
rock, rock,
I rocked that heart.
Yeah, you did.
What, you disagree? She wanted to see her friend. I mean, what was he supposed to do, tackle her?
tackle, tackle,
She wanted to see her friend. I mean, what was he supposed to do, tackle her?
So sorry. It wasn't easy to find. I took the liberty of checking the wound, and it's very clean cut, well preserved.
liberty, liberty,
I took the liberty of checking the wound, and it's very clean cut, well preserved.
And O'Malley, close off the gallery. We don't need an audience for this.
audience, audience,
We don't need an audience for this.
Molly plugs a hole with his finger and everyone walks around like he's some kind of hero. I have one off day.
You chickened out.
chicken, chicken,
I have one off day.
You chickened out.
Is in a certain amount of shock. It's preventing you from feeling pain, from feeling.
prevent, prevent,
It's preventing you from feeling pain, from feeling. Is in a certain amount of shock. It's preventing you from feeling pain, from feeling the extent of your injuries.
extent, extent,
Feeling the extent of your injuries. In order to operate on Mr. Maynard, we have to separate you two.
separate, separate,
In order to operate on Mr. Maynard, we have to separate you two.
Is my Danny? Is he here yet?
There are delays at the airport. The storm?
delay, delay,
There are delays at the airport. The storm?
Right there, in between the vertebral spaces. Don't be shy about pressure.
shy, shy,
Don't be shy about pressure.
It just says that in the case of death or permanent vegetative state, that your child will remain in the custody of, and
custody, custody,
that your child will remain in the custody of, and
How long have you two been together?
Since third grade.
grade, grade,
Since third grade.
I'm sorry, but we can't wait.
That's okay, Brookie. You go have your C-section.
section, section,
You go have your C-section.
You know, I went to the bar.
I heard.
bar, bar,
You know, I went to the bar.
I heard.
How do we do this? Team 1, continue to stabilize his body. Team 2, move her back, and let's get the saw in there. This has to be fast and smooth, people.
smooth, smooth,
This has to be fast and smooth, people. Team 2, move her back, and let's get the saw in there. This has to be fast and smooth, people. O'Malley, you hold the pole in place.
pole, pole,
O'Malley, you hold the pole in place. Whatever.
What about her? We can't just abandon her.
Come on, go in
We
there.
can't just abandon her.
Abandon. Abandon.
Come on, go in
We
there.
can't just abandon her.
Yeah, I think it does.
Yeah, well, by all rights, you should hate me.
I guess.
guess, guess,
I guess.
Is she suffer?
Suffer. Suffer.
She is she suffer? Is she suffer?
No. Her injuries prevented her from...
injury, injury,
No. Her injuries prevented her from... No, she wasn't in any pain.
pain, pain,
No, she wasn't in any pain.
But as human beings, sometimes it's better to stay in the dark.
dark, dark,
Sometimes it's better to stay in the dark. Because in the dark, there may be fear.
fear, fear,
Because in the dark, there may be fear.